A curve in rectangular coordinates is drawn so that every point on it is equidistant from the origin and the intersection of the y-axis with the normal. So from the phrase here, rectangular coordinates refers to the Cartesian plane. And here we have a curve, so let's just assume that the curve should look like this, and it is said that every point on it, we have point is equidistant from the origin and intersection of the y-axis with the normal. So let's pick a point here. The distance from the origin to this point, which is x and y, is equidistant to this normal curve, which is intersecting at the y-axis, d1 and d2. Okay. Now, this point right here is located at 0 and b. This origin is 0, 0. So, we can say that d1 is equals to d2 because it is said that it is equidistant. Now, the d1 is or can be determined by the distance formula. So d1 is equals to the square root of x minus 0 squared plus y minus b squared. And let's just simplify this. Say that x squared plus y minus b squared. d2 on the other hand is x squared plus y squared, or the square root of x squared plus y squared. Now let's use this equation. Let's equate this d1 and d2. So we have x squared plus y minus b squared is equals to x squared plus y squared. Square both sides, so we can eliminate the square root, and then let's cancel that, and then simplify this term. We have y squared minus by 2by plus b squared is equals to y squared, and we can eliminate this again. Now we will be left by 2 negative by plus b squared is equals 0. Now we can just transpose that and say that b squared is equals to 2by, and simplify, you can say that b is equals to 2y. And now let's determine the what they call this, the slope of the normal, which is given by the change in x over the change in the change in y over the change in x. The change in y is given by y minus b, and the change in x is simply x. Now we have y minus b, and we can just substitute this. Say y minus 2y x, and we have a negative y over x. Now let's continue here. Okay, let's continue here. So mn, which stands for the slope of the normal line, can be used to determine the slope of the tangent, which is the negative reciprocal of the normal line. So we have 1 y over x, and simplify, we have x over y. Now this right here, this is the slope of the tangent. We will just integrate this by variable separable. Sorry. And then integrate minus x squared over 2 is equals c. Now we can cancel these two 2's, so we have the answer. Okay, that's it. Thank you.